YouTube. This is my fourth time doing this video. Um, my camera is acting funny. Well, not doing the whole video, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. But anyways, week 36. I'm done with being pregnant. Went in for my appointment today. Not today, yesterday. Went in, they weighed me. I gained 3 pounds since 34 weeks. My uterus, she measured 36 inches. My blood pressure was normal. Before, in the past, like, those times since I've been pregnant, it's been like a little high, but nothing to worry about. But yesterday was normal. I'm sick or getting sick or something. My nose is so stuffed up, my throat. After this, I'm taking a shower and I'm getting in the bed. But let's see. She told me, or they told me that I'm not gonna have ultrasound for the rest of the time that I'm pregnant. So, no ultrasound. She guesstimated how big he was. She said it was 6 pounds. She checked me for dilation. She said I was 1 centimeter, which is really nothing because I can stay like that for the next 2 or 3 weeks. So that's not really, that wasn't really nothing, but she told me that I was dilated. And my husband think he's funny. He keep talking about some. Never mind. But let's see. Because he was there with me during the appointment. So that's all that really happened. Oh, I've been having back pain. So they tested me. They took a urine sample to make sure I didn't have a UTI.
How's it going?
I'm doing it again. Anyway, huh? They took a urine sample to make sure I didn't have a UTI. And then that was it. That was the appointment really. So that's all that happened with me. Nothing. I'm telling y'all, my appointments are boring. So but I'm gonna show y'all my stomach. I'm gonna show y'all around the baby's room with some of the stuff that's in here. Hold on. Okay. Show y'all some of the stuff that's in here. A lot of his stuff is still in transition to Idaho. From Korea, because my husband had a larger household goods shipment than I did, so excuse me. I only had 500 pounds, so I had to leave a lot of his stuff behind. But whatever I could get, I have in his room. Some of the stuff we bought, obviously, and some of the stuff was from the baby shower that I had since I had been here. And the rest of the stuff, all the stuff that I had showed y'all on my baby shower video before I left Korea, all that stuff. It plus is in transition here. So yeah, I will show y'all my belly, and I'll show y'all the room, and then I'm gonna see y'all next week because I have an appointment next week. So okay. This is my stomach from the front. I don't know if you can see it. This side. Okay. So this is his room. Obviously it's Pooh Bear. Those are Pooh Bear stickers and stuff up there. On his wall. And this is his bed. This thing right here is a part of the baby monitor. We got a baby monitor from a friend. The two walkie-talkie things one is in my room and one is in the living room. So we already got them plugged up and charging and stuff. But that right there is we put it under, it's supposed to go under the mattress. So that if he stopped breathing or moving for more than 20 seconds, then the alarm will go off to wake us up, to let us know that something wrong with him. But yeah, this is his crib right here. We don't have nothing down there yet. That's a big old jug of hand sanitizer that I had got for the baby shower, and it's a little bit of stuff under there, just wipes and lotion, baby oil, and stuff like that. And we got him a stroller already, and a car seat is also Winnie the Pooh, as y'all can tell. His Winnie the Pooh bag, and he has a hamper, and that's the base right there. And we also got him a lamp. His room is not finished. We still need to get him a lamp table. And yeah, it's a window, a wall, his name on the wall. I feel like I overdid it in this area right here, but yeah, this is diaper thing over here. This is a blanket that somebody gave us. We're supposed to be putting that up on the wall, but we'll figure it out. And this is his closet. Some of the stuff that we got. And I also got a breast pump from my homegirl Marcia.